Hi, I'm Joy Daniels of the Joy Daniels Real Estate Group. Are you thinking about selling your central Pennsylvania home in the next year? Or are you curious about homes being shown in the current market? If your answer is yes to either or both questions, you're invited to our virtual home selling workshop. It's called How to Get Top Dollar During the Upcoming Winter and Spring Home Selling Markets. And we'll answer all of your home selling questions. We'll talk about how to prepare your home in today's market, and we'll have a lender, home inspector, and home stager join us to answer all of your questions. And if you have specific questions, please submit them in advance so we can try to answer them during the event. Here are some starter questions that we will discuss. Are buyers motivated right now? Are home prices dropping? Is now a good time to sell? What mistakes should I avoid? How do I get rid of my stuff? How do I attract home buyers now? Should I pre-inspect my home? Can I purchase a home before selling my current one? If you're thinking about selling your home, reserve your spot today. Space is limited to 25 homeowners, so don't delay. If you have any questions about the event or real estate, don't hesitate to reach out via phone 717-695-3177 or email info@joydaniels.com. We look forward to hearing from you.